How to receive money on Cash App. If you need to get paid by a friend, customer, or family member, Cash App makes collecting funds incredibly straightforward. You don't have to wait for checks to clear or bank transfers to process. I'll show you the exact step-by-step process to request and receive money securely. So the first method is actively pulling funds by sending a request. So open Cash App to the main green keypad screen and type in the exact dollar amount you are owed, right here. Once the numbers are displayed, look at the bottom left corner and tap Request, right over here. A new screen will slide up. In the To field at the top, you just need to type in the person's hashtag, phone number, or email address right here in this field. Right below that, you can use the For field to type a quick memo line like dinner split or design work. Finally, you can just tap Request button in the top right corner. The sender will get an instant push notification on their phone, and all they have to do is tap Approve to release the funds to you. So as you can see, this is another person's phone, the request with a certain sum. They press Accept, and the cash leaves and goes correctly into your account. That is it. Funds should appear very soon in your balance. Enjoy as always, guys, and thank you for watching.